Sindi Dlathu finally explains herself reasons why she's leaving Muvhango after 20 years. It has been reported over and over again at Thandaza that Sindi Dlathu is quitting Muvhango after 20 years. Well, she has finally confirmed the news of her departure. She posted on IG, "So, this has not been easy for me. To say my decision to step away from the show has been difficult would be an understatement. I've been with Muvhango from day one and I literally grew up on the show. I also grew up with the supporters of Muvhango. You guys have been my strength. You rock. The love you've given me has been overwhelming. The feedback I've gotten from you has always been positive. You have kept me going. I've loved sharing my gift with you. You have touched my life in such a special way, and for that I'll always be grateful." Is this a goodbye? No. This is a see you soon.